Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how can you screen mirror your iPad or iPhone screen to the Windows PC. First of all guys, open browser and search for Lonely Screen. This application, search for it, and here the first link you have to click on it and click on this download tab and download this application for your Windows. So when you install this application guys, once you install it, just open this application on your PC, and this lonely screen AirPlay receiver will be seen as lonely screen on your iPad. Now just open the iPad and just open the control panel by sliding down the top right corner and just tap on this screen mirroring icon and just select your lonely screen, which is your PC. This is completely free application, you don't have to pay anything. So now once you selected guys, now you can see that this is our iPad on our PC. And basically what I did basically, you just need to open this control panel. Can you see control panel? And just tap on this screen mirror icon. Let me maximize it. Can see this screen mirror icon, just tap on it and select your lonely screen. So this is basically your PC. Just select it and your mirroring will be start from your iPad to your PC directly. So this is how you can do it guys. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then.